What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Tonight, I'm going to continue my quest on trying to get the bolts out of this head, both heads. So, I tried the whole TIG welding thing. I don't really think it's gonna, I think the bolt's just so dirty, it's not gonna, the filler wire is really not sticking to it. So I'm gonna try MIG welding, throwing some weld down onto it and hopefully trying to just turn it out. So yeah, let's see if it works. Get the gas on. Oh, let's see here. I think that'll work. Shouldn't be too bad. Worth a shot. How bad can I really mess it up? Right? Oh, let's get ready to rumble. Alrighty. Get all this crap off. Now, supposedly, channel locks with a wrench work. Potentially, this might turn out. Maybe not. We need a little more heat. A little more heat. rusty. That sloppy guy. I think we got it. Slowly. That. Oh yeah. See? Sometimes things aren't as hard as you make them. There's that one. We got her out. Oh man. All right, so we got that one out, but this one's next. Oh yeah. You can see that. There's only one more to do in this one. I just gotta clean all the oil off of it. Oh yeah. Put some brake clean on there. Clean it up real nice for welding purposes. Don't worry, it's non-chlorinated. I'm not a dummy. I should rephrase that. That could be. And just give her a nice little polish up. She's a little clean. Get the grinder out. And grind it clean. Alright, let's get this guy out. This is my favorite guy. Oh yeah. That'll clean her up real well. I feel like I should just use the drill. I don't want to take too much off. Alright. I'm clean this up with the carbide bit without hitting the head. Is anybody else scared? I am. Oh, man. Let's turn this thing down. So far, so good. I don't think it's got to be perfect. I am MIG welding it, so. Round 2. Here we go. Should be good enough. Let's get the rusty sloppies. The metal shavings out of there. There we go. It's turning. That's a good thing. Slow and steady. Getting turned up. No turn down for what here? Turn up. Turn out. Ah, come on. Come on, old Rusties. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's what I'm talking. Get it. Woo! Success number 2. Yeah. Yep. So, what I learned here, don't try to TIG weld everything. MIG welds work just fine. Plus, I mean, with it being dirty, as dirty as it is, MIG kind of, dirt doesn't matter as much. So, now I got these heads cleaned up. Get them on the motor. All right. All right. Got the heads all cleaned up. Bolts are in. Just needs all torqued down now. I think it's time to get this piece back together. And cross our fingers. Hopefully. I know it'll start. Not sure if it'll run. Oh, anyway. All right. Step 1 of torquing the bolts down. May wish to have assistants help you to hold the engine stand. Huh. Step 2. Tighten the bolts 1 through 10 to 22 foot-pounds, then add 90 degrees, then add 70 degrees. I got this. Alright. Head bolts are all torqued correctly, I guess. I mean, I might have went a little more, but then again, I did reuse the stock head bolts, so they stretch times 2. But this motor did have new head gaskets on it. Newer Felpro head gaskets when I took it apart, so guessing the heads may have been checked then, but chances are if I gotta take the motor back out at some point, which I probably will, just to do the cam swap and stuff, and maybe whatever else I want to do, I don't know. But yeah, hopefully warmer days are coming. Tired of the cold, but it's looking like maybe high 40s, 50s for the rest of the week, month, whatever. I just hope no more 20s and 30s and snow. So anyway, that's about all I'm gonna get to tonight. The biggest accomplishment was getting those bolts out, so I'm glad I got that done. Other than that, tomorrow's another day. Come out and try to, I got a lot of cleaning up parts to do, valve covers, and gotta see what I'm gonna do with the oil pan. But anyway, that's all I'm gonna get into tonight. So don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and have a good night. See you tomorrow.